Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There he is! Cover your head. Come on. Where? No, you don't have to bend down. Where's the baby? Where is he? Where is he? There he is! Where'd he go? There he is! Where's the baby? There's the baby! Where's the baby? There he is! Where's the baby? There he is! Too high. You put it too high. Where's the baby? There he is! Where'd the baby go? There he is! Do it again. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There he is! Can you laugh? Where are you going? You coming to get me? Oh, cuddle. You gotta get over that gator, but there you go. You can do it. You gotta get over that gator. There you go. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it. Here, come on, one more try. One more try. You did it. Hi. Hi, good job. Why don't you stand up? Stand up. I think he's thinking about coming to get you.
Stand up, boy.
Come on, stand up. You can do it. Stay right there and stand up. Come on. Yeah, you gonna do it? Or are you gonna get down? Oh, you wanna get down. There you go. Where are you going? You're just not going to stop, are you? Where are you going? Huh? You coming to me? No, keep going. You keep going. Okay, it's a long hallway to get down. Are you going to get up on the wall? Yeah, climb the walls. Oops. Turn. You can't stand up under there. You'll bump your head. Come here. I know. You're okay. Let's turn this around. Yeah, come climb up here. Come on. Come climb up here. Then I'll get you. You done? You're getting tired. I'd be tired too, buddy. That was tiring. Yeah, that's tiring. Hi. You want to come on up? Okay, is it time to stop recording you? Oh, you stood up. Good job. In the mouth. In the mouth. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.